showing how easy it is to fire up my electric motorcycle conversion. First, we'll connect the battery, snap the Anderson connector together, and then we'll engage the main contactor, turn on the power. Now we can see the power indicator built into the top of the tank indicating 100% of charge in the batteries, and we look down at the Kelly controller on this side. We see a solid light confirming power on, and it's not flashing. There are no fault codes. Now we just run the power up. Magura electronic throttle, and we can give it a little twist, and it runs. Smooth, easy to modulate. And even with no load on it. And look at how slow I can make that motor turn over. Perfectly smooth.